Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a deep condition with me, plus a protective twist out, one of my faves. So first I am starting off washing my hair using this Has shampoo. I love this product line because it never disappoints. Usually I wash my hair once a week or just whenever it's time because I have bad dandruff. So yes, I recommend this shampoo. It doesn't dry out my hair or anything. Now I'm going in with this keratin protein treatment. It's by the same line. All of these products that I use by this line just smell so good. And then with the protein treatment, it made it so easy for me to detangle my hair. Now I'm just making sure I have all of the treatment throughout my hair and brushing out my hair just to really get that product in. And this is the best time to brush my hair because it's very hard to maintain and to control breakage. Now that my hair is all lathered, I am just putting my hair up in a ponytail so I can take a shower and to also let that mask sit in. Y'all, look how much product was in my hair. I was just really trying to deep condition because my hair really needed it. And now that I let it all sit, I'm just rinsing out my hair, crunching it, and it left my hair looking so good, so soft, it smells so good. And last, I'm going in with the conditioner just to get that last moisture, make sure I get every single part. I just have very dry hair. My hair just eat up every product I had put in my hair, so that's why I really just overload my hair because it literally just eats it up and it loves it. And of course, when getting out of the shower, you want to use a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel just to keep your hair from over drying. And my curls are looking so good without product. I was just so amazed. So now it's time for the style. I'm just splitting my hair up into 4 sections. So starting with a twist is basically like parting your hair like you're finna do some box braids, but I did not care how my parts was looking because that was the point of the twist. It's just to have it all natural. I wasn't trying to have defined parts. Now I'm just going in with this Has leave-in conditioner. I just use really just Has and probably like gel. Now I'm just splitting my hair into 2 sections. I really just freestyle, y'all. I really don't care about my parts because you can't really tell once your hair is all done. And I'm really just 2-stranding it. And I like to do this just to keep them twists together because sometimes they can unravel. So I'm just making sure I get close to my scalp a little bit tight and just to start twisting till I get to the end. It's really just an easy process and an easy style, and that's why I love doing it. Also, the products I am adding in is the Has leave-in conditioner, my Eco Styler gel, and I'll just spray water if it's needed, if my hair is really dry, and that's really about it. You also want to make sure during this style you apply products to your ends because your ends are the driest, and that's why I like to do the little curl to also lock the twist so you won't have to apply rubber bands. And to also have that like boohoo look at the ends is so cute. Now that I'm all done my twists, of course I'm just going to do my edges. I also like to add mousse when I'm done, just to get all the flyaways at the top of my hair and just to really seal the look in. It's just very satisfying. It's like a little reward. And if you watched my previous video, I'm using this oil. TikTok put me on, of course. I love the smell of it, and it makes my scalp feel so good. And yes, y'all hop on that train. And now I'm just going and hydrating my ends.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Then I just want to show you guys a few styles that I like to do with my twist.
I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really is a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT.
And yep, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.